Hi, how are you guys? You know what? I just got a notification from the mail office. There's something for me to pick up. Let's go! So this is what arrived in the mail today. And the reason I ordered this is, I'm converting VHS, Super 8, DVD, etc. to digital. The reason I ordered this one is I had so many questions about a different format. So I'm just going to do a little bit unboxing here. So the reason I ordered this one is it will help me to help the other customers that want the other format that I cannot convert right now. And that format is 8mm. So I ordered a Kodac Reels film digitizer. I'm just gonna take out. Oh. So, and open it up. This is a Kodac Reels film digitizer. That means it scans both 8mm and Super 8mm film. Oh, I like that. The extra wheel, the one that you have one on the film. Now you have one wheel with the film, and then this one to catch up, and then you have to rewind it back again. Oh. So this is for the power, electricity. It comes with this one. The power itself. It comes with this one. Oh. And it comes with the one from my country, Sweden. So this is like a circle here and a circle there with plus and minus there, I guess. That was easy. I like that. That's a good start. The USB cable. The cloth, I think you say, to clean up the display. The adapters, one gray and one red. I'm soon going to show you why. Here is the machine itself. So, first impression, very, very light. Reminds me about the ordinary Super 8 projector. What I wanted to say about these adapters, you have one red for the red one and one gray for the gray one. That means this wheel here in the middle, for this one to attach here, this wheel is one size for 8mm and one size for Super 8. Put a comment below if you think I'm wrong about it. But this wheel has different sizes. So the thing is that this wheel can be for both Super 8 and 8mm, because the film here, the film goes in here. So this measurement here is the same no matter if it's 8mm or Super 8. Here is the difference originally. So that's why you have these adapters. So you can fit both 8mm and Super 8 on this projector scanner. And in the front it looks like this. On the top you have the buttons. On the back it looks like this. That means on the back you have, for a power outlet, DC 12 volt. You have the USB port. It's like a mini USB. You have the SD card. And as far as I understand of what I have seen about this, this scanner, this projector scanner, I call it, whatever, scanner. This scanner can take SD cards up to 128 gigs. What I can understand is that the other scanners can only take up to 32 gigs. I don't know about that. Put a comment below. Is that correct or not? And you have the USB port. As far as I understand, you can plug this USB port directly into the computer and record it in the computer. I don't know about that. I have never seen that. So I don't know if you need a software in the computer to do that, or it just put it in a file. I don't know. And one thing you have to think about with a scanner like this, a digitizer like this, is that this, with the film you have, this is like taking photo, like taking pictures of every frame on that film. That means it takes pictures. It doesn't scan audio. So if you have audio on, you will not hear the audio through this machine. So normally when there is audio, the thing is that 8mm were not able to record audio, but Super 8 could also record audio if the camera were able to do it. So this, and you can see here also that you have 8mm and Super 8. You have a switcher that you can take 8mm or Super 8. And then, I don't know about how it works yet, but you have the buttons here, so you can go in the menu and you can like adjust some of the graphics, or like adjustment like light brightness or frame adjustment on all those things. You can do that through these buttons. It takes a while to scan a movie, but I think it can be quite good anyway. So as soon as I have learned myself how this machine works, I can say yes to the customers that ask me about 8mm. I think this is going to be a very, very good solution for that. I will do a video later on about how it works and what the results were. My planning right now is that when I have scanned the movie, I want to put it in my software. I work with DaVinci Resolve Studio. I want to put it in the software and kind of see how the result is, if I could push the level up a little bit. I want to see those things. So I'm very curious about this. I am very, very curious about this. I will now make it ready to work. So, but that will be for the next video that will be about this Kodac Real Film Digitizer. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you like this video, put the like there. See you in the next video.